Voice Actor Magazine, here today with none other than Jason David Frank.
How you doing, buddy?
Very well, thank
Good,
you.
man.
It's an absolute honor.
Thank you.
So just a bit of the fun and perhaps a bit of the interesting stuff first. What was your inspiration to do martial arts?
Oh, just walking by a karate school and got a chance to see how awesome it was, and it just was, captivated me, and ever since then I've been hooked on it.
That makes sense, that's great. So how did Power Rangers come?
Pretty much an audition. Pretty much simple. Just an audition to try out, and just tried out, and the next thing you know, I got the Green Ranger.
And everyone's been loving it ever since.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Including myself. It was my inspiration to do martial arts.
Okay.
Yeah. But when it came to that, did you ever expect it to be as popular as it is now?
I knew it was something special. You know, when I first got on it, the characters, everything was very addicting. You know, like I liked the way it looked, and I liked the show and stuff. So yeah, I'm just happy it is what it is right now.
Yeah, indeed. Which brings me to our first fan question, Christine Wilson, you amigo. She asked, when you gave in the Green Ranger's power coin, did you ever expect to come back as the Green Ranger, leaving the White Ranger?
For the Mega Force?
Yeah.
It was a decision on the executives, but I never thought they would call me back as the Green, maybe the Black, but I was happy to be the Green Ranger, to be honest.
Yeah, how could you not? That character's great by a long shot. And even though someone asked this in the panel beforehand, I just want to get this in the camera. Is voice acting something that you would ever consider doing?
Yeah, I think it would. I've talked to quite a few people, got some business cards. It's just something that I never put my foot into, but I think the fans would like it. I think I would like it. It would be a good chance to do something different as a voice actor.
Also, I especially see you doing Ryu and, let's say, from Street Fighter, and Kenshiro from Fist of the North Star.
I'm down for that.
All right, and there's also a fan request from a guy named Carl Famoso.
Okay.
Do you remember?
You sure remember everybody.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, good.
Surprisingly, I actually have a pretty bad memory.
Yeah.
He never remembers my name.
Do you know that famous attack, Hadouken, from Street Fighter? Could you
wait? What is it again?
Hadouken.
Hadouken, right?
Hadouken!
Hadouken!
That was just for him.
Okay.
All right.
Time for a quick experiment.
Hadouken!
Okay, Capcom, you just saw the potential. You have to make this happen. Just once is all I ask. Just once!
Thank you very much for your
Thank you,
time.
man.
And this has been an absolute pleasure, Mr. Frank.
I appreciate it. Voice Actor Magazine, you are watching right now. This is Jason David Frank, the Green Ranger. Boom!
Time for another quick experiment.
It's time to send you to another dimension.
Yeah, he would rock as Kenshiro.